We're right now watching him cutting a tree. He's doing his face cut first, and then he's going to cut it down.
And then I'm videoing it.
He's doing his face cut first, and then after that, we're just cutting it down in our woods. We're cutting it down where we can do it, where we can do this. If it accidentally goes,
It's a big ash tree.
it's a big ash tree, and we're just waiting. We're just videoing to watch it go down. Focus this.
Your dad's about to get it out.
Doing his face cut. No, push it, Dad. It's fine now.
Is it done?
Okay, now he's gonna push it.
Yep.
There.
Face cut's out.
Now he's gonna do the
Back cut. Just right over. Oh, he's doing with his face cut. What's he doing? So he's gonna keep on doing the face cut. I don't know if you can hear me, but we'll be right back with you. Now he's doing his back cut. No, he's still doing his face cut real quick. He's lining it up. Then after that,
I gotta wait.
Come
Come on, Dad.
gonna cut his back cut. Now he's starting a back cut. Marking it so he knows where he's cutting it. You can't let it go over 3 minutes.
I'm aware.
But mine, I can go by 15 minutes, it's fine.
I thought 19 is your limit.
No, over 15 minutes and 28 seconds. Somewhere around there. He's still marking it. But, this is gonna go, it's gonna explode. The top branches are gonna explode. We've dropped a lot of trees, and I'm tired of doing, picking up the tree work, but this is gonna be a lot of tree work.
This is gonna be a few days.
It's gonna be a few days work since it's a huge one. So, I don't know how long this is gonna take us, but we'll see. We're gonna do some, and then I'll make another video of doing a different stuff. He's ready. Yeah, he's cutting.
He just posted.
Yeah, I know. I saw that. Bucket Billy just posted a new video.
He's another chainsaw guy.
What's he doing?
Oh,
he's
pounding a wedge
wedging
in.
Yeah, he has to pound a wedge in so it can stop pinching the bar.
We're at 1 minute. Come on, Dad.
1
Sorry,
minute?
guys, if I'm shaking the camera.
Shaking the camera, it's just, I can't hold it steady. It's just,
Yeah, I just can't hold it steady. My shoulders. I'm scared. I'm not scared.
it's gonna make a loud rumble after it. I can feel the chainsaw just doing this.
Oh, it's cracking.
I hear it. It's leaning just a tiny bit.
Here, guys.
Oh, it's going. It's sort of.
Dad.
Sort of,
Cut
sort
more,
of.
cut more.
Sort of
Which way
going.
is it gonna go?
Dad, cut more!
Where I said it was gonna go.
Where? This
earlier.
way?
Let's go keep going.
No, not that way. That
Go,
way.
Dad, go.
Down there.
Just pound the wedge in.
Yeah.
I don't know if our mom is videoing it from that right
She
angle.
is.
If it's that good. It's gonna go right near where mom is going.
Sounds like a pop. He also did a muffler model.
Yeah, he did. Yeah. It's kind of moving. It's not that well. He might need a.
I'm at 2 minutes.
Nope. It's not going.
He's
yet.
got to cut some more.
Hurry.
Come on, Dad, quick.
There it goes. We're gonna say timber. Uh-oh. It's leaning.
Oh,
It stopped.
dude, it's not going.
It stopped.
I think you need to cut on this side a
Wait,
little bit.
Dad, I'm gonna go over 3 minutes.
Which that was his limit.
Yeah.
There
There
goes.
goes.
Timber!
That's a lot
Holy
of.
crap.
That's a lot.
I just got to 3 minutes. I
No.
can't.
I can still record some more, but we'll get right back to you here in just a minute.
Funny.
Wow.
Big.
Yeah, this is
This
big.
looks like it could get.
This is so long and big. Oh, it's split right here. That's a lot. Wow. Look at all that we have to pick up. That's a ton. We're gonna get the mini chainsaws, and Liam and I are, Liam and I are, and Grant is gonna watch. And yeah, this is a lot to pick up. This is gonna be a few days work. This is big. Like, here. How tall are you, Grant?
I'm 4'6". I'll lay against this.
And I'm 5 foot.
Guys, my
He's 4'6". Holy crap. That thing's huge compared to if it was
I'm like 4.
it was a tall monster.
What, I'm like 4'8", 4'9"?
No, you gotta be bigger than that.
You guys are almost 5 foot.
Well, I'm 5 foot already.
Then I'm 5 foot.
Yeah, you gotta be 5 foot, 5'1".
5 foot.
Man,
No,
we're taller than
holy
Chance.
crap, that snapped.
That's huge.
Yeah, I'm not stepping on that.
I like it.
This is everywhere. Yeah, it exploded. There's some in the creek. Jeez, that's a lot. Look in the creek.
Oh, it's in the creek.
Yeah, some logs are in the creek. Jeez.
Hey, we didn't brush this whole thing.
Oh my goodness.
That's gonna be a pain.
That's a lot. But
What's that?
I know we're gonna get our little chainsaws out, 16-inch bars. We have the Toddy Mart for Christmas, but we used it earlier this morning. Grant's spending the night tonight. He decided he wanted to.
Yeah, we
So-
have our friend over again.
Yep.
Different friend, not
Well, we'll get back right. Wow.
I'm one of the.
And he's one of the subscribers. But he's just our friend that wanted to subscribe.
Oh, jeez.
That's huge.
Don't sit down.
Jeez.
And I'm 5 foot. I'm 5 foot. This is huge.
Here, I'm gonna lay over here.
Check how big the stump is.
No. Just get over there and I'm gonna lay down on it.
This is look at all that. That's it. It just leaned against that tree. And that's what Grant looks like when he's just laying down. It's
loud.
huge. But maybe.
I want to cut.
We're just ready in the action of cutting right now. That's a lot of sawdust. That's how big the stump is. That's how big the saw is. Is this the 28-inch?
Yeah.
Yeah, the 28-inch Oregon bar. The old Echo
Yeah, 24 is.
620.
I'm lucky it was short. 28-inch didn't go through.
It didn't.
That's where I went past. Left that post.
Wow. This is a monster. That's
Did you see that?
yeah, that's
Yeah, I saw
cracked
that.
bad. Like, look at all the sawdust.
It's a lot of sawdust.
Look at all that.
I'm on the stump.
That's a ton.
Hey, Dada.
But-
we're gonna need to hire a guy.
Shout out to Buck.
Show them how much is in the creek.
I already showed him. But shout out to Buck and Billy. I'm one of the subscribers.
Hey, Dad.
But my dad's a subscriber as well. Yeah, he sent Buck and Billy sent another video for you to watch when we were just ready to cut. Whoa! Man, this thing's huge. I could barely get on it. But wow, well, we'll get back right to you here in a little bit.
It's at 11.
Well,
Yeah, pause it. Can I cut?
yeah, here in just a second.
Can I have the muffs? I meant the safety glasses. I don't need the muffs.
Okay. Liam, you can stop. Go! Okay. Now cut this and you're done. Well, guys, well, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and there might be some more videos with my little chainsaw, and that's it for the video. Thanks, guys, and we're gonna have a new video here soon. Thank you, guys.